You're not going to believe what unfolds in this courtroom drama. A defendant, months deep into a GED program, faces a skeptical judge who's heard excuse after excuse. 11 resets, canceled classes, and a looming ultimatum show. Proof or face consequences. But what happens when the judge takes matters into his own hands and dials the GED provider right there in court? Buckle up, because this isn't just a test of education. It's a test of patience, credibility, and second chances. Let's dive into a case where every word counts and proof is everything.
So this is a case where she's working on her GED. Now she is. It's taking a long time because.
Coriel Dixon, come up.
And Judge, just really quick, I spoke with the prosecutor about an alternative PTI.
No, she's got to get her GED, dude.
She's working on it. She's doing the classes.
Let's see.
She sent me an email from
If anything, have you done for your GED?
And what I did for it,
What have you done?
I went to a class and then I tried to go yesterday. They canceled it and he also.
You went the day before court.
And I also went before.
Judge, she's been going. She's been going before even the last court date, and we
Prove it.
I can text you.
In this life, you are only as good as the proof that you don't have. If you don't have proof, you have nothing. Spoken word means absolutely nothing.
Judge, the instructor, I had an email from him that she sent me saying that she's been going to the classes and that class was canceled on the 4th yesterday. But she did, attempt to go to class. So she's been going. She did already take a test, and this is the one where she did fail the first test. So she's been working on it. It's not enough.
I mean, here we are. How many resets have we had? We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 resets.
Let's pause right here. 11 resets. That's not just a scheduling issue, that's a pattern. The judge isn't being harsh for the sake of it. He's holding the line on accountability. In legal terms, courts often grant continuances for valid reasons, but abuse of that leniency erodes credibility. Ms. Dixon's challenge now isn't just finishing her GED, it's proving she's serious, consistent, and committed. This moment raises a tough question for all of us. At what point do excuses stop being valid? Would you give her one more shot, or is the judge right to lay down the law?
Because I don't have no proof. I don't have nothing.
Tell me, what have you done?
I went to the class.
Okay. Which class did you go
The
to?
GED resource.
Okay. And because the way I understand it, there are different modules that you do. You do science, you do language arts, you do math, and whatever else it may be. You go through each section, you complete it, take a test, and then when you're done with everything, you take an overall test, and then you get a diploma.
That's not.
What have you done?
Basically explaining how everything's going to go, and I was going to finish everything else Wednesday when I was going to go, but the class was canceled.
Who is the provider that you have?
His name is.
Grab me a phone number, because I'd like to call them right now.
I have a number for you, Judge.
And go ahead and put this on.
Oh, yeah. Charles Jackson.
Mr. Jackson? Yes, my name is David Fleischer. I'm a judge here in Harris County. And I have someone that's with me in our court, and she's doing a program with you guys to try to get a GED. I'd like to confirm that's Coriel Dixon. So Wednesday and Thursday, and then did you say every other Saturday? Okay. And then, so how does it work as far as getting the diploma? Do you do different classes as far as science, math, and how do you at the end get it? Can I put you, I have her in front of me. Can I put you on speakerphone so that she can hear this as well? Do you mind? Okay, hold on. So I've got him. Okay, Mr. Jackson?
Order in the court, please.
Okay.
This is what we call a real-time truth check. The judge isn't waiting on documents or vague promises. He calls the GED instructor right there in court. That's rare, folks, but it's effective. What we're witnessing here is a brilliant example of judicial discretion-taking, immediate steps to verify facts and cut through the noise. And Mr. Jackson's breakdown, that's gold. 2 tracks, foundational learning or GED readiness. It's clear Miss Dixon's making progress, but now we have a timeline 3 to 4 months if she sticks with it. This call just turned the tide of the case. What do you think? Was this fair or over the top?
Tell me, how goes it?
So yeah, it's kind of twofold. They take an assessment. Based on that assessment, allows me to know where the student is as far as their grade level in math and in reading. Based on that, they go on 2 tracks. And so one track is like a probate education where we're just literally working on kind of some elementary reading and math skills.
Okay.
Or a GED track where they're ready for GED contests. And so, yeah, and I usually just, go from there. I work with my GED students individually. And
how long does the process take? And how long can we expect it?
Well, so that's honestly kind of a loaded question, depends on where they fall. I believe Coriel scored pretty well.
Great.
So yeah, and I worked with people that have gotten the GED in 3 weeks. I worked with people that got the GED in 2 years.
Oh, yeah. I can't do 3 years. That's too much.
Well,
I know, I'm kidding.
No, I understand that.
She's been faithfully attending, though. Yay or nay?
Yes.
Okay, great.
And with some consistency, 3 to 4 months, maybe less.
That sounds great.
That's just me ballparking.
I'd like to stick with it because I think at the end of the game, our goal here is that she ends with that diploma. And I think that would be a win for everybody. I'm calling you. I want to make sure that everything's going well, that she's attending, faithfully attending and doing well. And it sounds like you're saying that this is what's been happening.
Yes.
Great. Okay, so I'm just going to continue everything. Just continue to go, Miss Dixon. I mean, you got like what he's saying. If you continue at it 2 to 3 months, you'll end up with your diploma. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Jackson. I really appreciate your help. You've been great.
No problem, Judge. You take
Okay.
care.
You too. Thank you, sir. Bye. Great. Good job. Just keep at it, okay? So let's set it 30 days. I want to ride this through. You're so close to being through. All you got to do is see it to the end, and then everything great will happen for you here as well, okay? All right. Good job. All right.
So where did we land? After months of ambiguity, it took a phone call and a firm judge to reveal the truth. Miss Dixon has been attending. She is making progress, and with consistency. She's just months away from earning her GED. The judge gives her one last push, 30 days, and a clear path forward. It's a courtroom win, but the pressure's on. This case wasn't just about education. It was about integrity, follow-through, and the power of proof. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. We've got plenty more where that came from.